In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use my social media dashboard template that I built using Notion. So as you can see right here, I have the monthly task calendar listed on this home page, but you can also click on the monthly task calendar under the menu. And I left a space at the top for you to write notes, list your resources or projects that you're working on, and list links to your website or your social media links. And here's what mine looks like. So that's what you can do with that space up top. So here we are back with the monthly task calendar. So as you can see, I have the table view where you fill in all of your information. And then I also have it in a calendar view where you can see what you have to do for the month. Also, if you click on the three little dots right there beside new and click on calendar, and where it says show calendar as, you can change the view to weekly as well if you want to do a weekly view. And right here where I said under completed work, it'll show all the work that you have completed once you select done. Right here is the content planner for your blog. Similar to the setup for your monthly task, this is just broken down to different things that you want to do. Obviously, you can customize this in any way that you want to, but it's set up similar to how mine is. So it's a content planner for the blog, content planner for podcast episodes if you have a podcast, or you can use it for something else, and a content planner for social media, which is set up just like the previous pages. And so now I have a timesheet and PTO days if you want to keep up with the time that you have worked on a specific project or product. You just click the clock in button and it'll populate at the bottom, as you can see right here. And you can hit clock out, or you can click the button right beside it where it shows end time. You can click either of those and it will show up. Now, if you need to adjust your time, it's very easy to do. Just click on it right here where the date and time is, and then just go up and adjust the time. So let's say you want to change it to 7:30. You can go in and change it to 7:30, and then it will correct your hours or the length of time that you worked. You can also open up this page to see everything from the length of time you worked, the start date, start time, end date, end time, the hours and minutes that you worked as well. And you can also see this in a daily view, a weekly view, or a monthly view. So at the bottom, I have a leave planner. If you want to account for a time that you need to take off, you can just write a short description of what type of time you're taking off. You can put your name right here where it says employee name, and you could delete those other two pages once you download the template. And you can put in the type of leave that you need to take off, sick leave, self-care, the dates that you need to take off, dates that you need to take off, your days off, hours off. I even have it where it shows approved or denied if you want to use it for an employee. And then at the bottom, I have the leave balance area where you can type in how many days that you have left. So right here, I like to customize this part and put how many days I have in total for vacation days, and then I will do the calculation for that myself. You can also personalize this page if you want to. You can add an emoji, or you can upload your own picture to it if that's what you want to do. Next, we have the analytics tracker. So right here, you can put in the analytics from whatever social media account or website that you're using. So this example right here is for Instagram, and you can go in and type in your current value, like the current amount of followers that you have. Type in your target value. So let's say you have a goal of 5,000, and it will show you right here under objectives. You link it to the page that you want, and it will show you your progress, how close you are to reaching that goal. Some of these are already pre-filled, like right here it shows the engagement rate for Instagram. I kind of based it off of the analytics that's on each website. So some are pre-filled, some aren't, but you can go in and add, take away, customize it to your liking to fit your business needs. Also, you can click on new page to create a new page to track analytics for your blog post like Substack or for your website, and then you can fill in all of the information, and it will auto populate at the bottom where the key results are. And lastly, we have the project tracker. It's just where you can type in all of the projects that you're working on, and it will auto populate and help you keep track of those. So if you're interested in downloading this template, just go to elevatewithtrees.com, click on the template vault, and you can find this template along with others on my website. If you have any questions, please let me know.